So for question number 7, we're starting to make things a little bit more difficult again. So here we have got our balanced equation, and what you should be noticing now is we're seeing negatives and positives. Building upon our Nat 5 knowledge, negative and positives identify that ions are present. Okay, how do I know ions are present? Well, not only do I know it's a negative and positive, but I'm seeing the aqueous symbol that tells me it's a solution that's dissolved in water. So if hydrochloric acid is added to the mixture, what will happen to the position of the equilibrium? So what do we need to think of here? We've got our balanced chemical equation. The expectation is, at higher chemistry level, you know the chemical formula for hydrochloric acid is HCl. You should also know that hydrochloric acid dissociates, which means splits up into two ions that are the H positive ions, the ion present in all acids, and Cl minus ion. So what will happen to the position of the equilibrium? Well, I'm adding these two things here. I'm adding H positive and I'm adding Cl minus. So I'm going to look at my balanced equation and see if I see any of these. So nope. Here we go. I'm seeing H positive there and I don't see any Cl. Now it doesn't matter I don't see the Cl, I'm still seeing H positive. Okay? I'm seeing H positive. Where am I seeing it? I'm seeing it on the product side here. I'm seeing it on this side here. That means I am adding, from our table, adding a product. If I am adding a product, then the equilibrium will shift to the side to counteract that, to counterbalance it. So the equilibrium in this occasion is going to shift to the left hand side to produce more of this to counteract the effect of adding additional H plus ions. Again, reiterate and focusing at the table, if I am adding a product, the equilibrium will shift to the reactant side to make more of that to counteract it. And I know some of you might be thinking, oh, but if I add something, it is a reactant. Yeah, you add something, it is a reactant, but you're actually adding ions that are products. So the equilibrium shifts to counteract that, because that was nice and balanced. There was no H plus there before, so it's got to go and shift to make more of that to counteract it out, to balance it out.